Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly look into the analysis of Nifty and we'll be looking at the stocks having some potential for good probable trade, which are offering some good setup. So let's look into the Nifty analysis at first. This is the Nifty chart for 15 minutes on futures. And if you see, we were only discussing these two swing levels yesterday, if you remember. This one on the upside and this one was on the downside. In fact, Nifty was just trading inside this range, because as we have already discussed, this was the proper swing till here. Now if the prices are about to move up, they will be surely breaking this particular high, and if the prices are in mood to go further south, they ought to break this particular low in the downward direction. Neither of the thing happened. In fact, Nifty opened gap up and there was a distribution day happening. Distribution day means that while seeing this gap up, many of the peoples or novice traders would have entered a big positions in the long side. And once it was, I mean, seen by the big players or the market makers or the people having deep pockets, they would have started shorting the market. From that grab gap up, it is started moving down, and the later half of the day, it was even getting worse because it was going to break the yesterday's low. In fact, that did not happen. When once we reached yesterday's low, there was a strong pullback and Nifty closed above that low. That low was not broken decisively yesterday's low. So what is the scenario still we are having with? The swing level is the same, and it changes something like this. Instead of playing big positions inside this range, we will be thinking something else. Once this breakout failure has happened, we will be thinking to go long above this position. You see, long above 18350, 18350 11 on the futures, 18355, 18355 on the futures, and our stop loss will be lying somewhere around. Once there is a break above this, put a stop loss somewhere around 18250. Why? Because if there is a very slight swing low being made, there are multiple chances that it is going to break on the upside, or it is going to touch the upper boundary of that particular channel. You see my point? Instead of going short, I would be looking for a long position instead. Everybody would be thinking that there was a very big sell off today. Why would be looking for a long position? Because, as I have already told, the swing low which was made yesterday, or the day low which was made yesterday, was acting as a concrete support today. A big sell off went below this, and a quick reaction was seen to the opposite side, which is the upside. So, in case we are getting something like this, a decisive break below, and again we are about to break below a pivot low, then there will be only one condition, that is sell. But instead, until I'm not getting something like that, I will be opening a long position with some decreased position sizing. Mind it. Alright, if we see this thing on daily chart, we are very close to this particular low, which was the previous swing low. There might be a possibility that we may dip below this and suddenly start moving up as a pullback rally. But this is hypothesis. Let's wait and see what exactly the price performs. So this is a strong area. Let's see if it is going for a pullback rally from here. All right, let's look at the stocks. This was the stock I was thinking for a long position yesterday above this, but my premise only goes when there is a pullback and there is a break above that immediate high. If that is not happening, I'm not entering into that trade, no matter if it is long or short. In fact, since it has broken this previous day's low, now I will be looking for a short position if it does something like this. Sell below 1727.5, trail behind every swing low, and initial stop loss will be 1744.4. So let's see how well it goes. It will be a short trade. Another one is Avas Financials. In this condition, if you see, this was a high, this was a pullback low or a lower low, it was a swing high or new structure high. Now our price is very close to previous low. In this condition, the odds of going wrong are high, but still I would like to take the chances. Why? Because my stop loss is very small. If I get an entry somewhere around here, I will be having a very small stop loss. In fact, the potential of going right or the reward position will be very high. If this will be my risk, this much big is the reward. This is not exactly the reward point, but still, if we keep on trailing, we will be able to get good risk reward trade. So our buy position should be opened around 1965, which is the current position, current price of this hour's financial is. SL will be 1936.3, and instead of booking the position straight away with a target, I will be looking for trailing the price whenever it is start to move up. Another one is Lalpath Labs. Buy position above 2440.5. Initial stop loss 2382.4, and trailing mechanism exactly same as we keep on discussing on this channel. Behind every swing low, just staircasing it. Right? There seems to be a traction behind every healthcare stock because there is some scare about coronavirus which is being percolated. So let's see how will they perform. The next one is also a healthcare stock, Zydus Life Sciences, and the long position above 426.1. SL will be 420.8, and you keep on maintaining the trailing stop loss behind every swing low. Alright guys, so these were the stocks and this was the analysis for current video. If you do like the video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends so that multiple people and who are looking to understand these simple concepts of technical analysis can get benefited. In case you are having any query, suggestion or feedback, or you want certain content to be posted, you can certainly ask in the comment section and I'll try my best to post it. Post a video about that. Okay guys, till then, happy trading. Thank you very much.